It's retry. Oh, dear, and that the only kind of woman can. But say a brand radiation it drew swag. And near my best son. I feel Omwana Omuhunu Esre. Omwana Omuhunu. No more church, you know. I form more because is that him? Is that her? Oh, the answer will call now you are chair. One casa a beyo one a bebro adrian on tea say so. Sana Radian idea. For me, ma, good afternoon. Pacho Boko dear. Yene Radia say. So they are corner watch you and I was idea shena watch for Frase. It's Mondays there. Yet Nasi say now, and I say on Kwan. You feel Munina. Near the Nasiam Rade, San Sonukuto, and I say Papa B. Esseno. Onimua enye. And it's your friend, the kind of Jumedie Soya to the near Radia. Mondays do not say yet, Nasi say now near Beam. Now sweating me about Rumbi. Now what can be Rade? Because Massa enye is a sound. So why you Juma throughout the week? No weekend they do now Juju Kakra. Na Fobenwana Assembly share weekends no. And near my ya no woman. You have no idea. And near me Sisi, you have no idea. It is a wood dear. Oh ma Sembia. No show so come. I do try to watch you anyway. As I do shana watch you for Frasia. Massa. As I saw to me Danase. What do I bush you in our want to Bonibia? Obi on my weekend or sing or relax no. Just one phone call keke by enti. A messy weekend nina. Yes. Phone call back up our tear one assume. The weekend nina say because one take good news. But oh dear, all the calls you receive throughout the weekend. Nani na ya ni jesam, ni na ya ni kasam. Ya o how ni amane akwanhia ni esan bi anim. Rashibra se si ya bi anim. Aden na nyame ase. Se wa bo ho ban kama say. Na wa side wa hye na watch for frase. Let's do that right now. Ewa 106.3 Adom FM Ofie Kwanso so. With me, Jerry Justice. Show produced by Papa Bills. African is also in the building. Jonas and Swaha. Sanso and Panford and so Ewa. Alongside Akete. Boni dia Akete no sre. Minim's almost sharing no one or this Eddie Newman who says we dia gasa. What you say? Oh, Akete will give us. Oh, Akete. As that's on come kwame obo ade. Abusa I know ten free sabre kopem se be wonu me no sia. Na ye de aseda e ma ya boafo adaroma omoboa ye e ma ye de ofa edikan ye rade aye bre wo fie Kwanso medie so. Ye dom ase wie na ye guso dom ase na kra no betimi afre na won so wo de wo na ase ade ma rade aba dwumedie so. Asede di ono e ko e de ama Natural Way Herbal Clinic. Natural Way Herbal Clinic. Pacho wa chronic kidney disease hawadwen. O crowd dey yes say dey. Enche bia just say do to dialysis so. Ana crowd dey say dey keka kon say nyame amfa fia. Just say kidney transplant bam. Na no kra ho asem no masa yen kan ha o. When you obi kra so no kra be hwa donate ni dey ama no. Process no ene ho ka. Masa onye Enutino Natural Way Herbal Clinic about the amount. Ya bana be share. State-of-the-art health facilities kama edidi surgery medie a treaty chronic kidney disease with only natural remedies when you bet ho keke. Professor Wiafia Kenten ono any doctor and CEO of Natural Way Herbal Clinic was specializing in kidney treatment. na oba yen chembe ja ya hwa within few days wa be hu sachire wo widie mu untwa kwan ya bosom mienu bosom miensa na wote de wote mu da bi wo hyase ba yen chen na within few days no unsampa esunsun so sunku bi ye ahomeka pa na hyase ba widie mu adwuma fie adwoda ko si efie da anopa 7 ekopem adwumre 5 behunu yen chia kwan wo Santa Maria ya ye ben Ja Love Hotel ekitan de bia mienkasa 0245 159 547 and I say 020 079 2466. Now on the Natural Way Herbal Clinic at Dinky Town. Natural Way Herbal Clinic. Let the herbs heal. Now the end flu be and I say cold be and etete wo abusuana no aduro ne ba ko pe your friend Pro Code PROCOLD Pro Code. Yes, if you Kojak Farmer, the original Pro Code KOJACH Kojak na chese logo no so bo ho enkoto de enkrofo atwagu mu okro mu bi da bi ende enye eniama bi omu FDA fo yemu hwemu nyitu mu eti wan hwe yi a wo so wo nom de atu flu ni cold asenso na wo se wo liver Timoni na ho neto the original Pro Code if you Kojak Farmer amukura na my Kojak F and Kojak P toothpaste and I feel Kojak F and Kojak P mouthwash and a Kojak sensitive toothbrush Udi ade enyu anade ehye anade ede na ose fenfemo to da na yo ya use Kojak F toothpaste no nefa ne mouthwash ne kan ho e be solve problem no wo de na severe pa to da kra na etu moja pacho be hia Kojak P toothpaste and then the mouthwash use it continuously for 4 weeks then switch to Kojak F no kakra bibia be fine open best results I use Kojak sensitive toothbrush ne fa kan why I available pharmacy shops how do we twen ho ahia nyina mu do drop pa no de hwehwe Kojak Farm ehia kwan okaishi drug lane phrase 0249 209 920 and our face 0260 870 780 FDA for mu aja tum sampa eye kama say yegu so ayeda omanfo ase no na say aboafo ase no betimi afre 0302 216561 and our face 0302 216562 sounds na betimi afre 0268 499347 so me say DBS Industries for so Dharma. Omo the DBS roofing sheet, coloring plus roofing sheet. Ebo ye chidom. Roofing sheet color no enfade empele off. Empo and campus chance and araste. I losing content you mukweni mi yepa AZ 150. They are called market now between AZ 30 and AZ 50. And until now to be any amount 20-year warranty. Our chance and so say elastic pan. Yeah, the top class quality materials near there. Area cha kwan was Spinters Road no sufi so anu adu papa restaurant. The better chance papa for board dance so. Exam dey bia me nkasa 0240 844 444 afa 0204 344 561. Yanko Kaneshina Yamfa Ajwa. Hello Ajwa, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Na eto saying me so me hoye pa mami who excitement be your voice mu kakra I said the wire down be I said bibi show su be I said waninji be I said raho be oh achwa I don't know sir
oh brother
oh ajwa no person was kakra oh okay nice one ajwa patro enti na radio ayama
then we want to so hard to shame. Young Kaya, Fata. You could inside the another that's what I said. I'm managing.
Amen.
Yes, some place I walk and say this or Pamadi. Any tree service.
Okay. All right. Omuna Jo, so that's a power for your call. You're from mountains now. You could do a breed. Yes, on the Equapian Mountains. Now you're foul Bibini or Bibini Bacopa. Bibini.
Hello, Jerry.
I just say,
Adom, yes.
Nice. You way.
Jerry said the Oka and the Yampo and Rako be a Minya. In fact, I say me mood, you know. It's no one seven other crashes.
Mm.
In Sampa. But several days, minimum say be a bit me.
And he does so. And he does so. And he does so. Yame Bay.
Thank you.
Yame Bay. Bibia Bear fine. And then Yame say. And here do a Bree Mountain City and near bed twice walk anymore. Yafrubia can of a sunny pet near Sea Cove City and near Kofuria. I need Osu Bright at Town. Hello, Osu.
Hello, Brad Jerry.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Brad Jerry.
Now, I'm to saying,
yes, I don't know who you and I want to wear.
I don't crew ya, crew cramesa. I just went you.
But you, the Danyanko Pass, a mamma Bustia. I feel by a think a bonny beer. I needed one and a start here, and so any 3 and 8 one. Nothing good which I say, I sit down near the Banyanko. Person come and turn your back and find share at the Edmia.
To Nintendo, Mianko.
Aye, I shall my cool mamma. Now, me, aye. I shall not cool mama. Now me,
amen.
My sister, I walk for you or your queer friend, I do or name mammy. But your bonum the family, mammy.
Matty. Bye. Bemane kasa to no boasi yini baako say why ni na aso ba na kasa ya kwa shama na go for honorable. Hello honorable, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Nyame na Adom oye na wo so Fine. Yentiu.
Pacho, the Razna sit there, was a mamma qua. Some of me, and a pa, and then
good.
After this, I do not sacoda. The Razna Papa.
Honorable, that's fine.
Fashion.
Okay.
And I come to next prayers now. And
now, Uncha Kuma, Foster.
No, back my
Foster, Honorable. Bra Kuma Foster. Kuma sprayer. Kayako. Auto spraying shop. Tama Community 9 Light Industrial Area. Belinda Ewo Malata. Hello,
Roger. Good afternoon.
Afternoon, Boko there.
Krista Adom now swear.
Adom Kroye and T. Miss Ramoyapa. Nice.
I know the drama. The shooting America, Cassie, a car, the other China, the answer you. I mean, I look at Sudan and Kaya did.
Amen.
I share so. Mama boni bi anka da na si bebre na nyu na obo no e me de pa na be fa akwanya we so achia me mada bebre na ma me shedi ni ma ni aka baby ba je e wa am bonu no fa nchichi ne re
you
e dey bu spending na me da mas
yes you da was say Patro Farmer Trust for so cray mu bi ne de ofan di we eye ni radia ya waso gusue ye de brewo Farmer Trust Limited and my healthy link hair nails and skin am all your complete woman o nails ni na be fu FFF kama pa hoden abam o tinwi ebububu etete basa no so betwa na ni na fu tenten faka FFF kama na skin so atoso se soko soche tokotoko na fefel and I feel healthy link healthy woman so when a boost to your fertility no be ma den ho kan wato ta na enyin se na ba afetie a boost immune system no improve blood flow kama pa so e ma onyi che and your healthy link menopause tablet e ho wa when you do mpani fie so ene watwa bra untimi nya bra biem no menopause no aya ne the symptoms bebre na ma how ne ateti bebre wo a droba ko yi sa problems in near fie no and your friend healthy link menopause tablet bonya no na bia chi akwan pharmacy shops how do etwa ho ahia o maya fana ba bia dodo pa no Farmer Trust pharmacies ni nyina mu no okwa obenya dodo bia wo hia yen kwa o man so na yen fa eye afrie aweye amano krom menu aboko de nyame Adom me ho ye pa na so
Adom na
good yentie we
nyame ase so abo me ho ban me ma me no bi se afo me suffer ya sesi until there's one form then so
amen yes we that's a pass of friend I mean come home happy birthday going out to Edward Tete Roberts aka African and now baby your birthday now, you can read. If it's some bad day, and you don't do pizza. A pizza, not do birthday. Oh, Jack. Oh, Charlie, I'll come. Oh, they say, when you are better, my memory. But once one can. Second, me action be, but today, and Yamutre. My property, why? It's true. My property, I'm always rich. Why? You are very fine. No new birthday now, can check koku. And now to us, and I test African pa. Oh, David. My year action be cries, Yama, kwasi mafu cries, I will get him at his oko. I come suspend and Nanka, so actually, now me outside because we do birthday. I am a short man who 5 a day at Dico. But they miss you. Oh my goodness. The first day your man Guaranteed Trust Bank. GT Bank. Bank Papa, the most innovative and technology advanced bank. Ye Jan Nasu ye. The patch of September Bosumi. I can't cross and I'll see throughout the month of September. The way and say or reward your man for it's more use Visa card away any MasterCard away GT Bank for Australia. Cause one they use you never shopping online and now in store on POS devices. Who they use you you'll be rewarded by being $400 shopping voucher. Yeah, shopping sanya there. Any Samsung phones, ne tablets or more flagship devices. You be brain now bet me out there. It cost one they use you Unyanyi binswa seize this opportunity. Never any GT Bank BM. Never requested for Visa, prepaid and as a debit card CB, MasterCard EB. Now so shall say so you be use you. Now you're very rewarded in a special way. Guaranteed Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? I'm sure you do. Mommy, we voice it. Mommy to me, Famano. Hey, why, yeah. Mini pedia, mini pepper for Rama. Oh, Mr. Kweku Gambra. It's our birthday today. You are sharing this day with African. Mr. Kweku Gambra, United States of America. Papa, you can't say Unipa a giant. Is a true definition of a giant man. Just say 10 gram more pan. And easy. Na papa ni boy juma papa. What's that? Africa and Ghana in particular. Oh, systems in the Mabi and Yajumo Krumwentino. You will nipa bin wanka, what brains no pan to help us. But on Bahanom person boy, non conform Bombugani at the end. Papa, we are Juma or ye pa de my United States of America. No, Masajai. Mr. Gambra, happy birthday to you. Name on shout. Now on your case, yes, to God be the glory for adding yet another year to your age. May God bless you and bless you more. And good afternoon going out to all the workers. I'm over here, Goodies Lovely Shit-Off Factory. Inside Trade Fair. More word, Juma. Antina, Esther, Nafisa, and all the beautiful ladies in there. Goodies Lovely Shit-Off Factory. Yeah, war Trade Fair inside. Me mamunina, good afternoon. Happy birthday going out to Della Boboli or Royal House Chapel from Vanessa Amma Entry and all the 2G ladies with love to you. And a happy birthday also going out to my twin sister Elizabeth Autry Boateng, aka Elizabeth, with much love from the Autry Boateng family, especially Grace and children. Not forgetting Ajua, your daughter. We say we love you so much. For Zifa, I met me. I hope so. Dino Sana, my bono, my boo boo boo, Afachem wine. On our head of marketing, Edema and Ponce Pharmaceuticals. I'm my F-Pack blows your pain away. Yes, it's your birthday today, so happy birthday to you. Fast radio and transition. Yes, the funeral people. Oh, okay, yeah, there, okay. Yami show, no more, nothing, said there, dark rope. As a great grandmother, when you are 127 years. Dark rope, and who don't crack the cause with our mafia. It's there, when you just said there. One day, oh, now a cobana say ye na. There's a Timmy crack nipanechi fefe kama action and yamna ibin so carabusua with free moon. I don't know be here so beton sadia fret transition. Now what me share a disage media mawo from day one. Say be shania be crack muno. Abobo bon panian in Robin near dear. Timmy are preserving a kama. No nipanet me kura na ho fem even though we're free moon. Kopem say ye be need that to empem na to bedwam no man for ba be hwe no atwa dwadwo I pay last respect and sana finally amamu no so ye de ato funeral hearse papa bim atwene se nya ya kopiem amusie ne akwa akohwe na ya kra no ye gene kwan kra sa hihye nyina se be ne bedim ne be fefefe ne be hye anuonyam no se woni transition edin kita ho na wugya hye yensa ye sa hye na de ma fefefe kama na eye anuonyam hye transition the funeral people and a member of the enterprise group.
Ofie Kwanso with the man Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
So by kind courtesy, Zoatem anti-malaria medicine, Ofie Global Access Savings and Loans. Ya babe share asem ya yedi etu ye hofo ewo Ofie Kwanso dwumedi so Adom 106.3 FM. Ntipacho you asum na etie de so ebe na yemfantu ye hofo. And as somewhere did to your phone, what Brofocasem now some say a fake friend likes to see you do good, but not better than them. So pay attention. A fake friend likes to see you do good, but not better than them. So you need to pay attention. Obia enya se no kretro do paase oye onyonko se de kan wo twika sem se obia one ne bokosu atafre ye kasa na chese onipa kon de utwotwo mutwopa se de mpanifo timi kase nyonko bi sini onua no Ebi wo hosa. Sometimes that friend ade obeya ma no. Onipa oni ni fi yafunu ba kumukura no might not do that for you. That person is always there for you, always helping you to make it in this life. Ewo onipa bebre, me I know a lot of people like that. Ebi mu aboa me pa o mabrabo mu. E dia bedu baby amedu. And they are equally friends like this. This is how they seem to be. But in reality, that is not who they are. Safono, they love to see you say, bon homodin, yeah, they say, tumpon abrabo mu, say abrabo, life is good for this guy who near there. But wana kuma muno, on pese, you na we no, a betra on only ya, why? But you see, in this life, you want obi on one. How come say teacher need to meet obi are there, the student are there? None the students no, or no mum about graduate here, no aquaconia position, baby, a crown watch as a teacher nino, or digari bottom macra won't even know in this life. Sunday we are sitting. And also chasing TNS as a teacher nino, or bois, the student no, Emma obey better. So dear me patch no. Enti obia ono se oye wadanfo. Nenso se koba se otimi boa for you to be even better than him or her. No nipa kron finding it difficult to do there. Then as I say o reason ebiem. Na hu say onikro no on pese obedrum pempen so a ekron e wa brabo mu. Na wa advice on ne dia ne senka kakra bi problem kakra ba no watimi aboa to solve it and there a form the ya on the low sa ne dia. But say gig kese bia bom na bia great opportunity bi anka to me say ono na betimi aboa o ebi pokura nya ne effort kese bia ma just a simple testimony pokeke from him. Pokura to say so Charlie, this guy, hey, he's the best person to put at this a position obetimi aboa na. Just that impo from nano. Hey, ono no ko kana wo yemfa wo hye ho. Na wo bra be ogboro pa, there be onye. As a so mo wani da. It is hard and very difficult to determine say why na ne de no genuinely. Eye odokan ana say opewa sem pa say ononko pa, say good friend. Just say what pay attention before ubetimi and making the difference between a good friends who like to see you do good and even do better than them from a fake friend who likes to see you do good but not better than them. So you need to pay attention. Money now to say wow nation ye now betimi ehu difference no na what you for e was akwan so we any asem and then you to your phone. Now about BC, there's this video circulating on WhatsApp. Crawford are sending Crawford. Me say my people, you know, are still sending it to me near there. Obi and the best friend pound to me say on in a corner crana. Two ladies. I saw them where you mean say watch yourself video now. Na Obano, I saw them now. So for no prophets no bonfire no friend by. And no can the story in that channel say wo akomapa where she be man you good, he's helping you, he's doing this for you, he's doing that for you. One month sika so and so amount of dollars me people. I'm on say fire business. I feel all of a sudden be man as sana drain or say one man call sa Dubai trip no kwan kwa business bim. I feel sika no dey man no or say o sika back. And now there's confusion between you and that guy. I feel it need no bunani and knows was saying pepe it is happening. To happen or bonus who brought you here? You have a friend saying or born in the friend needing, then she came from the crowd or buy. Or so on I didn't buy or say on not dinner down from the bar. Sorry, show. What the best friend now bar sorry them send the problem now all face no. On my bomb pie. Not knowing there was this same girl who was doing it. or no the same girl na wa fetche akache guy na oboa girl ne say the girl has decided says sika kese no de man so fanye business no otu kwan no kwa she's not coming back again or first sika no and a guy says me manya ho do na me boa o say ya de obi ni so guy no e jai bibia e ma on the girl no tembe ye basa basa so for no bisa girl say is this not your best friend? I say yes. So why did you do that? Or say na nani breno because na damfo no e making no dodo. Na damfo nenya the biggest of opportunity, the opportunity of a lifetime to excel into any ya. So that jealousy, that enviness, right? And or there a dim say as na damfo no so. I'll block that opportunity. Meanwhile, on any hand ekobao ama on swing say nemenko ye no that same person did not sorry them say let's go and pray. No knowing she's the same person. It is the same way need that whole year part to tell between fake friends and good friends. May God give us that spirit, that discerning spirit to tell between those who love us for real and those who are faking love in our lives. Amen. Okay. Enti area ni say yen fast da my prosperous on mobile meetings asem way. Global Access Savings and Loans. Yeda mo ase yema mo akwaba. Se mo soma be kan ho say yen koso na yetimi nyina na yen share afoforo nkran abrani na area bia odwumedie so. Now Global Access Savings and Loans adwumaku bia no kure nie. Omo age omo din ye ba no sika sem ne ade a omo specialize pa ba no deposit, you know, ne ade a omo edimu juma pa omo take deposit, you know, the my institutions now they are there just say omo no licensed by Bank of Ghana, some more pretty our business we deposit, mobilization, lending, and then other banking services. Yeah, no just savings and loans for ni na no no almost so be no more passion and say on bet me a partner individuals, I face small and medium size, you know, enterprises, SMEs, no more to me grow on businesses through the provision of, you know, high yielding savings product, I face timely loans, any other banking services, where no ya three boss say I in a kama to meet their needs, pepe on banking products uniquely design a kama to meet all your needs. Yeah, it me wow amount that advantage of tomorrow's opportunities. Global Access Savings and Loans. No watch ye. Not just say caso be a ye wa demu akuta. One we pioneers pa a bano money transfer business. Ghana ha. Boys in their control numbers ba one fan for Global Access and fan akofa. A one amount for G cash in there because omo being akwada room pa. Eti brane be, you know, savings and current account with us today at any of our 18 network branches in Accra, Tema, Kumasi, and Aguna Swedru. Obetimi a friend 0501 298 010. Again 0501 298 010. And our fee 0302 734 580 and now 0302 734 581. Global Access, your partner, your choice. And what you say, do you know? Yadema Zoatem anti-malaria medicine. A droid, a correct say. Obamodia Mounsakabia. Oh, malaria. One time, what you say? Now we know effectively. A kutia malaria arena is saying the two active ingredients they ashimunti. Within 24 hours will be a malaria bubuna good form. A best time na sorry and nasu cream. On the third day, not clear malaria parasite in the FU system no. To be checks near the aircraft tests be a beam. Zoatem suspension. Ya the mama fra ikra excellent orange flavor. Yeah, man no near mre at the mama fra na cry. And your Zoatem fort and the Zoatem DS and so on one. And the penny for there, and also in such a way say, oh no more quickly, it absorbs into your system. Na etimia quentia malaria no tempana the amount. Nursing mothers and pregnant women, and whom ya some obenum said ruby, obenum padia, just a woman doctor and sana, or my own crime waiting me, who doctor the ampacho men be. Obenya Biato pharmacy shops how do ni nyem do pa no. Tap Apple Healthcare Limited. Behunu ye chia kwan wotema Community 25 Health Plaza Building Fre 020 431 0031 and on 055 000 5363. Now on the heading town. I was here to admit so the time just about 9 minutes after 4 on 106.3 FM, Ghana's #1 radio station.
Ebayam fishi eduenu ni Global Access Savings and Loans a wode wo hoto yen so aye ne ohwambo no ye dijuma so kongo sikamania ne bank djuma mu na wadjuma ne wankasa wo sika semu nso ya show ye pa
so wo pa djuma ku ya wo do sika semu dadwe nyina beda na afebo a